Hello friends, today we'll see how to make NCL certificate और NCL सर्टिफिकेट कैसे बनाते हैं। NCL सर्टिफिकेट जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है हर एक एग्ज़ाम के लिए, जो यूपीएससी हो, एसएससी हो, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के एग्ज़ाम है जो भी। सो NCL सर्टिफिकेट क्या है? ये एक्चुअली नॉन क्रीमी लेयर, जो ओबीसी में दो डिवीजन है, क्रीमी लेयर एंड नॉन क्रीमी लेयर। एंड नॉन क्रीमी लेयर आर दोज whose family is having annual income of less than 8 lakhs, so they comes under NCL. So I have given one NCL certificate to show you how it looks first of all, and I will tell you in this video how to get NCL certificate, that is centrally caste certificate, which you have to renew every time when you are applying for any examinations like UPSC, SSC and all government examinations. So how to get NCL certificate? The signature. So I have told you what is NCL certificate, OBC certificate. It has two categories: NCL, that is non-creamy layer. Then how to get this central format updated caste certificate? You have the caste certificate, that is of your state caste certificate. It may be digital or old one. Most probably you have digital one. It's required to get NCL certificate. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू गेट ए इनकम सर्टिफिकेट। तो आपको पहले इनकम सर्टिफिकेट लेना पड़ेगा। कहाँ से? तो इनकम सर्टिफिकेट 3 कैटेगरी में आपको उपलब्ध किया जा सकता है। जैसे कि अगर आपका फैमिली में इफ़ योर फादर और योर मदर गेट्स पेंशन, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव योर फादर देन योर मदर गेट्स अ फैमिली पेंशन। फॉर फैमिली पेंशन you have to get only PPO Xerox copy, that is PPO Xerox copy is required, or this is only the requirement for getting a certificate. PPO certificate, PPO Xerox copy कहाँ पे भी, कई जगह पे ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको BDO से, that is ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर से आपको सर्टिफिकेट लेना पड़े। तो you have to show your PPO card to BDO, then he will give you or issue a income certificate. His signature will be there. You have to go to the department there in the BDO office. They will issue a income certificate referring to your PPO or your passbook, that is your mother's or father's passbook, from where it is shown or how where it has given that what is the monthly pension or how much your father or your mother gets your pension. According to that you have to get a income certificate. So this is the income certificate. And if your family or your mother or father does agriculture work, then a income certificate of BDO is only the certificate that you have to get. Then how you have to get BDO income certificate? First of all, you have to go to local councillor office if you are from municipality, and if you are from panchayat areas you have to go to pradhan or pradhan's secretary. He will or she will issue a income certificate of your family, father or mother, and taking that certificate to the BDO office you will get the income certificate from BDO. BDO will issue a income certificate. It may be digital copy or it may be any handwritten copy of the BDO office. So you have to get that first. Next you have to download the annexure, that is I will give you a copy of that in my description also, PDF. You have to download it and keep at least 2 copies. Actually 1 copy you require, 1 copy you have to sign and keep, but you can take out 2 copies also. So you have to download from UPSC website. Download section you can get this caste certificate. Most probably it is 2014 annexure they have given that. The order copy was that I have shown you previously also. The certificate is look like this annexure, page 3 of that annexure. So next is download that. देन इनकम सर्टिफिकेट लेना पड़ेगा। तो पहले वो सर्टिफिकेट एक डाउनलोड कर लीजिए, PDF कॉपी। इनकम सर्टिफिकेट BDO or PPO Xerox copy you have to keep. Then caste certificate Xerox. Somewhere it requires self-attested, somewhere it doesn't require any self-attested. self-attested नहीं करने से भी चलेगा. तो कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट का जेरोक्स कॉपी एक होना चाहिए. दैट इज OBC सर्टिफिकेट. इट में भी ओल्ड और डिजिटल, पुराना भी हो सकता है, नया भी हो सकता है. तो डिजिटल कॉपी अगर हो तो आपका डिजिटल कॉपी का जेरोक्स लेना चाहिए. और क्या लेना चाहिए? डेथ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ फैमिली पेंशन इफ फॉर फादर इफ फादर is death and your mother gets a family pension, then death certificate of your father. Then an application to the SDO. This is very important. An application must be taken with this document mentioning to subject should be requirement of NCL certificate for applying to this examination. You can name the examination, what exam you are writing for. So SDO, to the SDO you have to write an application. Next is some SDO office they may require also, some may not require also. Aadhaar card, voter card, ration card xerox of yours. So these were the 6 things that you have to carry with you to get a NCL certificate from an SDO office. So I hope this is clear with you all and all doubts are clear for you. For before applying your exam, this date must be issued from the opening of your application to closing of your application date, that is which examination you are applying for. So ये था आपके NCL सर्टिफिकेट जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये चीज़ आपको लेके जाना चाहिए NCL सर्टिफिकेट के लिए.